Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this micro SD card. It's a A1 128 POCEVIT Ultra, speeds up to 100 megabits per second. Alright, doesn't come with a reader. It's wrapped in plastic here. Saran wrap. Plastic container here. Pop it off. And A1 U1 micro SD 128 gigabytes. If you are interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.